Huawei is a Chinese tech giant. They make phones, network equipment, and more. Recently, Huawei has been in the news. They are making big moves in artificial intelligence and business technology. Huawei is known for innovation. They invest heavily in research and development. This has resulted in groundbreaking technologies. Huawei is a key player in the global tech scene. Huawei is committed to partnerships. They work with other companies to develop new solutions. This collaborative approach has led to significant advancements. Huawei is shaping the future of technology. Huawei's focus on AI and enterprise tech is strategic. These fields are rapidly growing. Huawei is well positioned to capitalize on these trends. They are a force to be reckoned with. Huawei partnered with Conch Group. Conch Group is a leading cement producer in China. They also partnered with the China Building Materials Federation. This partnership is a big deal for the cement industry. The goal is to make cement production smarter. They will use AI and other technologies. This will improve efficiency and reduce environmental impact. This is a major step towards sustainable manufacturing. Huawei will provide its expertise in 5G, cloud computing, and AI. These technologies will be integrated into Conch Group's operations. This will create a more connected and intelligent production process. The cement industry is being transformed. This partnership is a win-win. Conch Group will benefit from Huawei's technology. Huawei will gain valuable insights into the cement industry. This collaboration is a model for others to follow. Huawei is a leader in Wi-Fi technology. They have the largest share of the global enterprise-class Wi-Fi 7 market. This is according to a report by Del Oro Group. Huawei shipped the most Wi-Fi 7 access points in 2023. Huawei's success is due to its innovative products. They offer high-performance and reliable Wi-Fi 7 solutions. Businesses trust Huawei for their wireless networking needs. Huawei is setting the standard for enterprise Wi-Fi. Huawei's Wi-Fi 7 technology is impressive. It offers faster speeds, lower latency, and greater capacity. This is essential for businesses that rely on data-intensive applications. Huawei is enabling the next generation of wireless connectivity. Huawei's dominance in the Wi-Fi 7 market is significant. It shows their technological leadership. It also highlights the growing demand for high-speed wireless connectivity. Huawei is at the forefront of this trend. Huawei's success is no accident. It is the result of a clear strategy. Huawei focuses on innovation and collaboration. This has allowed them to stay ahead of the curve. Huawei is a leader in the tech industry. Huawei invests heavily in research and development. They have a large team of engineers and scientists. This allows them to develop cutting-edge technologies. Huawei is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Collaboration is also key to Huawei's success. They partner with other companies, universities, and research institutions. This allows them to leverage the expertise of others. Huawei believes in the power of collective intelligence. Huawei's commitment to innovation and collaboration has paid off. They are now a global technology leader. Huawei is shaping the future of the tech industry. Their success is an inspiration to others. Section 5. A new era of connectivity, the power of Wi-Fi 7. Welcome to the future of wireless communication. Wi-Fi 7 is the latest generation of Wi-Fi technology, designed to revolutionize the way we connect to the internet. It offers significant improvements over previous versions, including enhanced speed, reliability, and efficiency. Wi-Fi 7 is faster, more reliable, and more efficient, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. This is a game changer for businesses and consumers alike, enabling seamless connectivity across multiple devices. Wi-Fi 7 can handle more devices simultaneously, ensuring that everyone stays connected without any lag. This is essential for businesses with many employees and devices as it supports a high density of connections. Wi-Fi 7 also offers lower latency, which is crucial for activities that require real-time responses. This is important for real-time applications like video conferencing, online gaming, and data analytics. The increased speed and capacity of Wi-Fi 7 open up new possibilities for innovation and efficiency. Businesses can now adopt more data-intensive applications, enhancing their operational capabilities. This includes cloud computing, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence, which are becoming integral to modern business operations. Wi-Fi 7 is the foundation for the future of connectivity, supporting the infrastructure of smart cities and advanced technologies. Wi-Fi 7 is more than just faster internet, it is a transformative platform for innovation and growth. It is a platform for innovation, enabling new technologies and applications that were previously unimaginable. With Wi-Fi 7, businesses can do more than ever before. The possibilities are endless, from enhanced collaboration to groundbreaking technological advancements. Huawei is leading the way in this new era of connectivity, pioneering the development and implementation of Wi-Fi 7 technology. Section 6. Shaping the future of smart manufacturing. In this section we delve into how cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing the manufacturing landscape. Huawei's technologies are transforming industries. One prime example of this transformation is in the manufacturing sector, where innovation is key. Huawei is enabling the rise of smart manufacturing, a new era where technology and production processes are seamlessly integrated. This involves using advanced technology to significantly improve efficiency and productivity on the factory floor. Huawei's 5G, cloud computing and AI solutions are the backbone of smart manufacturing, providing the necessary infrastructure and intelligence. These technologies allow factories to become more connected and automated, creating a cohesive and intelligent production environment. This results in faster production times, lower operational costs, and significantly improved product quality, benefiting both manufacturers and consumers. Huawei is working with manufacturers around the world, forming strategic partnerships to drive innovation and efficiency. They are helping these manufacturers to implement smart manufacturing solutions, ensuring a smooth transition to more advanced production methods. This collaboration is leading to a new era of industrial automation, where next-generation robots and automated systems are the norm. Huawei is at the forefront of this transformation, leading the charge in industrial innovation and setting new standards in manufacturing technology. The benefits of smart manufacturing are significant and far-reaching, impacting every aspect of the production process. It can help businesses to become more competitive and agile, allowing them to respond quickly to market demands and changes. It can also lead to the creation of new jobs and industries as the demand for tech-savvy workers and innovative solutions continues to grow. Huawei is playing a vital role in making this happen, driving smart manufacturing innovation and leading the tech revolution in factories worldwide. Section 7. Beyond connectivity, Huawei's AI ambitions. Huawei's ambitions go far beyond just connectivity and telecommunications. They are also emerging as a major player in the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence. Huawei firmly believes that AI has the transformative potential to revolutionize numerous industries, from manufacturing to smart cities. To this end, they are investing heavily in AI research and development, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Huawei is developing cutting-edge AI solutions for a wide range of applications. This includes advanced image recognition, sophisticated natural language processing, and predictive analytics. These AI solutions are being adopted by businesses and organizations around the globe, enhancing efficiency and innovation. Huawei is deeply committed to developing AI that is ethical and responsible, ensuring that their technology benefits society as a whole. They believe that AI should be harnessed for the greater good, improving lives and communities. Huawei is working diligently to ensure that their AI solutions are fair, unbiased, and transparent, adhering to the highest standards of integrity. Huawei's AI ambitions are vast and far-reaching, aiming to make a significant impact on the future. They believe that AI can play a crucial role in solving some of the world's most pressing challenges, from environmental conservation to global health. Huawei is dedicated to using AI to create a better, more sustainable world, enhancing education, healthcare, and urban living conditions. Their work in AI is truly groundbreaking, setting new standards and paving the way for future innovations. Section 8. The global impact of Huawei's technological prowess. Huawei is a global company with a global impact. Their technologies are being used by billions of people around the world. Huawei is connecting people, businesses, and governments like never before. Huawei's impact can be seen in many areas. They are helping to bridge the digital divide, drive economic growth, and improve healthcare outcomes. Huawei's technologies are making a positive difference in the world. Huawei is committed to social responsibility. They use their technology to support education, environmental protection, and disaster relief efforts. Huawei is a force for good in the world. Huawei's technological prowess is undeniable. They are a global leader in innovation. Huawei is shaping the future of technology and making the world a better place. Their impact will continue to be felt for generations to come. Section 9. The future looks bright. Huawei's continued ascent. Huawei's future looks bright. They are well positioned for continued success. Huawei is a company with a clear vision, a strong work ethic, and a commitment to excellence. Huawei is constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They are investing heavily in research and development. Huawei is always looking for new ways to improve their products and services. Huawei is also expanding into new markets and industries. They are constantly looking for new opportunities to grow their business. Huawei is a company that is always on the move. Huawei's journey is a testament to the power of innovation, hard work, and determination. They have overcome many challenges to get where they are today. Huawei's story is an inspiration to entrepreneurs and innovators around the world.